What if I told you these 7 extensions for ChatGPT are going to change your life and turn you into a superhuman? And it's all thanks to this man at tech.n.trendz who posted this thread. What do these extensions do? The first extension enhances your prompts with relevant results from the web. The second extension allows users to view ChatGPT responses on Google and Bing. The third extension, called Merlin, allows you to highlight any text in a tweet, Google Sheets, search engines, and more, and ask it to summarize, write a response, or create an email on the spot directly on the website without going to ChatGPT. Fourth, this extension allows you to save your GPT chats as an image immediately. Fifth, this extension allows you to reply directly on Gmail based on your prompt using ChatGPT to create professional responses in seconds. Sixth, as I discussed a few videos ago, this extension allows you to summarize any YouTube video in a few clicks. Seventh, you can share your ChatGPT prompts with the world with one click. Tech.n.trendz thread that contains all of these extensions links are in my bio.